Woohoo! I am so excited. This is my excited voice. Wednesday, August 28th, 2019. Bruce here. Whoa, we got some ants in there. Dang it. Maybe I didn't want that one. But looks like I'm going from the bamboo guru to the coconut cowboy. Got me a load of coconuts here. I was over doing a job fitting some canvas, and the neighbors were piling these up out by the street, so I went over and asked. Well, I took all the ones that were on the street. They had this last bunch they couldn't get out of the yard, I think, because it was too heavy. So I went and asked if I could have them. They said, yeah, you can have all you want. We just threw 50 of them over the fence, too. But these are, not those ones, but some of these are full of coconut water. So, geez, I got like, what, 25, 30 of them here? So I should be able to get a pretty good amount of coconut water, or coconut milk. See what I can do with these. Alright, well, it's starting to rain, so I'm going to have to go inside here. Look at that coconut. I need to get a bowl to catch some of that because I didn't do a great job chopping the top off that. So most of it spilled on the ground and the rest of it got caught in my beard. But, and check it out. Look at all this coconut coir I'm going to get. I'm going to have like a whole trash can full of that stuff. And I think the worms will eat coconut in my worm bin. So let me chop another one of these open. I'm going to get a bowl here to catch my milk. Alright, so I've relocated indoors because it's raining outside now. And I shucked another one of these pretty much by hand. Look, still got all my fingers too. I'm doing pretty good. So I got this multi-drill here. If you're not familiar, it's got a little step system. So you can drill from 1/4 inch all the way to 3/4, 7/8, something like that. So I'm just going to find the little face end here. I'm going to drill into one of the eyes. Don't do it over your bowl or you're going to get all that sawdust and stuff in there. Might even want to use a strainer. Alright, where's my trash can over here? I'm going to get some of this going in the trash can before I break through the outside into the juice. That way I'll have less dirt and coconut shell in there. Alright, so I'm through to the juice. I'm inside. And I brushed off most of that. Let me see if I get a little bit more out of that. Alright, there, I got a nice open hole in there, so now I just dribble my coconut water. If you ever had coconut water, you know that it's really nutritious. This is like nature's vitamin store right here. This is everything you want to get. And if you've ever bought coconut water, you know how expensive it is. It's like $3, $4 for just a couple ounces of it. So this is a huge score. I got maybe a little more than half a cup in there. That's not too bad. I'm going to go get a couple more coconuts. Alright, I got a couple more shucked out here. And this one's got a natural crack in it, about halfway around. And I could probably smack that and get it open, but you're going to end up spilling a lot of your juice that way. So I'm just going to drill all of these. Ooh, that one went pretty quick. Oops, got a little bit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, that's a really full one. 8. Wow, man, that one's like, whoa, I got like a whole cup out of that. It was like $8 worth of coconut water in that one. Look how full that bowl is. I'm going to measure this. But yeah, that was a really, ooh, that one sounds really full too. Some of them don't sound like they've got much in them. I'm going to let those ripen a little more and and or plant them. I'm definitely going to plant a bunch of these because it might take them a year to get going. And I'm just going to stick them in the lot on the side. I'm not going to put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming out kind of slow. 7. Man, there's a lot in that one too. Boy, I'm going to have a quart here with one more coconut, I think. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, and the other thing I noticed right away, the first one I cracked in half, I took a little chunk of the coconut out and I tried it. It is really sweet. Here, let me taste this. Oh my God, that is so much better than the stuff you get in the store. Oh man, it's sweeter than it is watery, and oh man, that is the way to go. I gotta go get some more of these shucked. There, and I'm just gonna strain this out and measure this. Whoa, over a pint. Or, well, a full, yeah, I took a couple sips out of there and I spilled a little bit out of the first one, so, or no, none of the first one's in here. So this is basically 3 coconuts. I got a whole pint of beautiful coconut water. Look at that. Man, that is like, that's probably about, it's got to be at least $6 worth in the store. A pint? I don't know. I'm going to have to price it again. I don't even know where to get it anymore. They used to have it at the local big chain store. I'm not even going to mention their name. You know what it is. And they had the coconut water in there in a little cardboard container. And it was kind of pricey, but it was really good. And now I've got my own cut